Hi everybody, my name is Sparsh and I'm working in a company called DarkMatter and I'm from the recruitment team at DarkMatter. So today we had a business services fun day out and we decided to come here for some cooking classes. And it was great fun, the chefs were really helpful. I never cooked in my life, so today was my first time cooking. So they were really helpful, I learned some tricks here and there to get some things done easy. But yeah, it was a great experience, it was a great day out. So yeah, I had a lot of fun.
Okay, can you tell us something about the school and stuff? Like how was the facilities? How was the chefs?
Facilities were fantastic. Facilities were really good. It's top notch, and the chefs are really professional. And it's located in a fantastic place as well. So it's really nice. It's really nice.